Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple trick to make your video look ultra HD like 4K quality using only CapCut. And yes, it's completely free, no plugins, no paid effects, just one cool layering method that makes your clips look super sharp and cinematic. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then just import the video that you want to edit. This works any kind of clip, whether it's a vlog, a cinematic shot, or even a gaming edit. And then next, just go to effects sections. This one, just tap on it, and then video effects. And then just search for black and white sketch, like this. This one, just tap on it, and then just apply it to whole video like this. And then just go to objects, and then choose all videos like this. And then next, just tap on effect again and then search for blur. This one, just tap on it. And then adjust the blur level to around 5 until 10%. Maybe I want to adjust it into 5%. Like this. And then just adjust the durations. Go to object again and then all videos. Like this. And then just export your video. And then just go back to your projects. And then now replace the black and white sketch effect with neon effects. Just tap on replace and then just search for neon. This one, just tap on it. Like this. You will see bright outlines that give your clips a cool glow like this. And then just export these versions again. Like this. And then go back to your project again. And then just delete all effect. And then just import it to exported clip, the black and white sketch versions and the neon versions, but in this time just import it as an overlay like this. And then go to transforms and then advanced and then just zoom in until 100 like this. And then go to splice and then choose overlay, this one. And then just adjust the intensity between 20 until 30. For example, I will make it 25 like this. This will help the details blend perfectly without overexposing your footage. And then just repeat the same step for your neon clip. Just add overlay again and then import the neon clip. Go to transforms and then advance and then just zoom until 100. Go to splice and then overlay and then just adjust it until 25 like this. And okay, your video will look like this. And okay, that's it. You will instantly see how your video looks cleaner, sharper, and way more vibrant, like a real 4K render, and it's all done in CapCut with zero cost. And okay, so that's how you can make your video look 4K for free just by combining effects and overlay in CapCut. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!